Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best induction cooking pots, selected for their reliable performance, durable construction, and excellent compatibility with modern cooktops. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. LMETJMA Ceramic Induction Cooking Pot. The LMETJMA Ceramic Induction Cooking Pot is a versatile and practical cookware option designed for modern kitchens. Featuring a 28cm cooking surface and compatibility with gas, induction, ceramic, and electric cooktops, this frying pan offers flexibility for a wide range of cooking styles. The honeycomb non-stick design helps reduce food sticking while allowing users to cook with less oil, making meal preparation healthier and more convenient. Its glass lid is a useful addition, enabling cooks to monitor food without releasing heat or moisture. Constructed from stainless steel and aluminum alloy materials, the pan provides a balance between durability and heat distribution. The 3/16 stainless steel structure is known for its resistance to corrosion and wear, helping the cookware maintain its appearance and performance over time. The pan also carries multiple certifications, including LFGB, FDA, SGS, and CE standards, which can provide additional confidence regarding material quality and safety. One of the strongest aspects of this cookware is its versatility.
Number 2. Concave 4500 watt Induction Cooking Pot. The Concave 4500 watt induction cooking pot system is designed for users who require powerful and efficient cooking performance. With an impressive 4500 watt heating capacity, this induction cooker delivers rapid heat generation, allowing food to cook faster than many conventional electric cooking appliances. Its electromagnetic heating technology ensures efficient energy transfer directly to compatible cookware, minimizing wasted heat and improving overall cooking efficiency. Equipped with 5 adjustable heat settings, the unit provides flexibility for various cooking techniques, from gentle simmering to high-temperature stir-frying. The knob-based control system is simple and intuitive, making operation straightforward even for users unfamiliar with digital induction cookers. The ceramic cooking surface contributes to durability while offering easy cleaning and maintenance after use. A notable advantage of this cooker is its waterproof design, which adds an extra layer of practicality in busy kitchen environments.
Number 3. Pure Non-Coated Induction Cooking Pot. The Pure Non-Coated Induction Cooking Pot is an excellent choice for cooks who prefer traditional cookware without synthetic coatings. Made from pure iron and designed in a classic Chinese wok style, this 32cm pan emphasizes durability, high heat performance, and natural cooking characteristics. Unlike non-stick pans that may wear down over time, this wok develops a natural seasoning layer through regular use, improving cooking performance while maintaining a coating-free surface. Its compatibility with both gas and induction cookers makes it versatile enough for different kitchen setups. The iron construction allows the wok to withstand extremely high temperatures, making it ideal for stir-frying, searing, and authentic Asian cooking techniques. The ability to achieve and maintain high heat is particularly beneficial for creating the smoky flavor often associated with professional wok cooking. Another advantage of this cookware is its durability. With proper care, a pure iron wok can last for many years, often becoming more effective as seasoning develops. The absence of chemical coatings may also appeal to consumers seeking a more natural cooking experience.
Number 4. Stainless Steel Induction Cooking Pot. The stainless steel induction cooking pot offers a versatile solution for preparing soups, stews, hot pots, and a variety of family meals. Available in multiple sizes ranging from 28cm to 34cm, this cookware is designed to accommodate different household cooking needs. Its 5-layer steel construction helps promote even heat distribution, reducing hot spots and contributing to more consistent cooking results. Manufactured from 304 stainless steel, the pot provides excellent resistance to corrosion, staining, and daily wear. Stainless steel remains one of the most trusted materials in cookware because it combines durability with easy maintenance. The included glass lid allows users to monitor cooking progress while retaining heat and moisture inside the pot, helping preserve flavors and improve cooking efficiency. Compatibility with both gas and induction cookers increases its practicality, making it suitable for a wide variety of kitchens. The deep design makes it particularly effective for preparing soups, broths, pasta dishes, and communal hot pot meals. Its sturdy construction gives it a solid feel, while the polished finish contributes to a professional appearance.
Number 5.
Cast Iron Stewpot Induction Cooking Pot. The Cast Iron Stewpot Induction Cooking Pot is a robust and multifunctional cookware piece designed for users who appreciate traditional cast iron performance. Weighing approximately 3 kilograms, this deepened stew pot offers excellent heat retention and even heat distribution, helping food cook thoroughly and consistently. Its compatibility with both induction and gas stoves adds flexibility, making it suitable for a wide range of kitchen environments. One of the standout features of this cookware is its versatility. It can be used for preparing rice, soups, porridge, noodles, milk-based dishes, stews, and even baby food. The thick cast iron construction helps maintain stable cooking temperatures, allowing ingredients to release flavor gradually while preserving moisture and nutritional value. This makes it particularly useful for slow-cooked meals that benefit from extended heat retention. The smooth interior surface simplifies cleaning and reduces the likelihood of food residue buildup. And that wraps up the top 5 best induction cooking pots. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.